guys, welcome to the Southern Rustic. If you are new, hey, welcome to the Southern Rustic. I'm Sam and I am so happy you decided to hit that little red subscribe button below and be part of the family here at the Southern Rustic. If you are a returning subscriber, hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and most delicious teriyaki chicken thighs. They are so easy to make and so delicious. I'm going to pair them with rice and some vegetables on the side. But today I'm just going to show you how to make the chicken. So let's go over all of the ingredients and let's get started. Okay guys, hopefully you can see everything very well. So this is a super easy recipe and it's very minimal ingredients. And it is absolutely delicious. So I've already got some chicken thighs here in a little Ziploc bag. You don't have to use a Ziploc bag. You can use a Tupperware container or a glass container with a lid. I've got some sesame seeds, vinegar, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, rice cooking wine, or you can use mirin, and I've got some soy sauce. That's all you're going to need. Alright guys, this is absolutely so easy to make. All you're going to do is pretty much combine everything. I'm going to start out with my vinegar, my mirin, or excuse me, my cooking wine. I'm also going to add in my brown sugar, and I'm mixing this now so it's a little bit easier to mix later when I put it in here and get it all coated onto the chicken. I'm going to add my garlic and my ginger. Almost forgot what it was there for a second. Alright. And I'm going to add half of my sesame seeds because I'm going to use the other half to sprinkle on the chicken when it's done. So I'm just going to give this a little mix. Make sure all that brown sugar is combined and melted together with that soy sauce and the rice wine. Okay, I'm going to clear the deck here, get some of these bowls out of the way. Now, like I said, I've got my chicken thighs here, and they're bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, and I'm just going to add in my marinade right in there. And I'm going to close this up, and I'm going to get out as much air as I possibly can. And then I'm just going to massage this into the chicken. Make sure it's all nice and coated. And then we're just going to let this hang out for about minimum 30 minutes. But you can do this overnight if you prefer. I'm going to let this hang out for about an hour because my daughter will be home in just a couple of hours, so I want this done by the time she gets home. So I'm just going to let this hang out, and about 30 minutes I'm going to come over and flip it over so I get both sides well marinated, and I will meet you back here when we put this in the oven. Okay guys, it's been an hour, and all you're going to do now is just very simple. Just put the chicken on a lined baking tray. I like to do skin side up. You can also put these on a baking rack just to help circulate the air a little bit better. But my baking racks are currently being used at the moment, so we are just going to plop them down on this silicone mat here and call it a day. So now we've got all of these on here. Just space them out so they have room to cook evenly. Now all you're going to do is pop these in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes depending on your oven. All ovens cook differently, So I'm gonna check these about 30 minutes and see where we're at. It may take a little bit longer. Just keep an eye on them and just cook them till they're done, about 30 to 40 minutes, and then we'll pull them out and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you want this recipe or any of my other recipes, check down in the description box below for my website. It's also in the comment section. Just click that little link. It'll take you right to my website. And you can look up any of my recipes. So, yeah, you guys, I'm going to wait for my daughter to get here. She should be here in just about 5 minutes. And we'll dig in. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.